And then here we're going to grab this out. And then this is going to be a bit complicated because what we want to render is, let me show you here, zoom in. So we want to get the body, and then we want to go inside the body and get the children, and then go inside the children and get the text here. So the text here is the actual text of the blog post that we're going to have. And so how we're going to do that is this. So we're going to say get the stories of 0 dot body of 0, and then get the children once again of 0 and get the text. So that's how we're getting the text here. So basically just like going down the hierarchy. So when I save this, the thing with this is that it's going to show everything. It's going to show the entire text. Look at this once it reloads in, and it might break, by the way. I hope it doesn't. I mean, let me see, it does break. So cannot read properties undefined of 0.